Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. What I'm going to do today is just have a little bit of fun with a bloom. So I'm using probably 7 out of 10 colours are all transparent. So we should get some really cool like watercolour, alcohol ink type effects when I blow it out. So fingers crossed. I'm going to throw some tunes on for you and I'll see you at the end.
Anybody tell you it's gone way too far? No, nothing gonna help you when it falls apart. The prophets and the preachers told you, but you covered your ears, and now the end is near. Gonna tear it all down. 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 Call it revolution, call it whatever you need. Make a resolution, battle till you bleed. Prophets and the preachers warned you, but you waited too long, and now your chance is gone. Gonna tear it all down. 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 Let it all burn down in the fire. Let it all go down in flames. Let it all burn down in the fire. Let it all go down in flames. Let it all burn down in the fire. Let it all burn down in the fire. Let it all burn down in the fire. Ooh, let it all burn. Ooh, let it burn. Let it all burn down. Gonna tear it all 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 Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. Histories made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight. tell our stories of battles and glories, the ones that nobody forgets. Yeah, we'll be remembered for this. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight.
I see the darkness all around, trying to find my way out, trying to find my way out. My heart, it wanders through the night, searching for the starlight, searching for the starlight. Will I find my way back home? Will I find my way back home? I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I'll see tomorrow. I'm moving through the shadows. The future's right in front of me. I'm never gonna let go. I'm never gonna let go. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I'll see tomorrow. I'm moving through the rising from the dark, following my heart, calling out for air. This is just a start, start. Rising from the dark, following my heart, calling out for air. This is just a start. This is just a start. I'm moving through the shadows.
I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We'll plunge the waters together and rise through the weather. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, I know the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I know the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. Man, they are just so much fun. I love playing around with these things. You get some really cool effects when you use transparent colours. It sort of gives you like a watercolour effect through all the different layers of colours. Really cool. Give it a go. You'll love it. Alrighty, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Click on her name in the title of the video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you to Premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list. That way you see everybody on the Express, one after another, and you don't get lost. Alright guys, that's it from me today, so have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.